Damian. Hi, Damian.
Ready?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Air show. Dominic, you ready? You ready? Dad, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Never don't see me.
You ready? Here we go. Here comes the airplane. So now we have to get on the bus and we'll go off from there. So here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. On the bus. Say bye to our cars. Bye.
Are you ready, Damian?
Ready to go?
Yeah. It's already driving.
No spray or
Let's
nothing.
go. Here we are. Okay, here we go. Now we just need to check in our bags and start the air show. So here we go.
How are you?
We are going into the air show.
I just said that.
Oh, my bad.
Nothing in your pockets? No knives? Nothing? Nothing you? You have any guns? Anything? Mister?
No, just my phone and my
Okay. Dad, what are those?
called motorcycles.
Get it? What are those?
Airplane for that, okay?
That what you need to think is cooler, that one or this one?
When you push
Me too.
Let's go on that side.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
That looks cool.
No, it's where the wheel comes out of. This is where the missiles go on the wings. Right there. This is where they clamp on.
Run! Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper! Run! Go! Get to the chopper! No, come here, Damian. Damian, just stand in front of it. You trying to take off or what?
So you can go in it.
Let's look at the military drones right here.
Buy a picture of your dad and send it to John.
Look at this one. It's a big one. Get to the chopper! This one you can go inside of it. Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper! Hey. Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper!
Oh no!
Help him down! Help him down! He's injured!
Go.
Yeah, I just crew this. We don't have to maintain it, but my previous life I was a short helicopter.
You ready? Ready?
So stayed busy working on those.
Here we go. He's gonna start driving.
Barely
Here
fun.
we go. Starting to drive.
These are
Come on, let's go.
Look at those controls.
there's only 7 of these in the army.
Come on.
Let's see how we do. Oh yeah, quickly. The jet truck is way out in front at over 300 miles per hour. And out come the parachutes, which will slow it down.
Alright, so we are at the Yuma Air show, and we've been here about an hour, but I think it's time to head out because it's hot. It's so hot, Dominic is turning red. So we only got to see a little bit of the shows. It's time to get going. Right?
Yep.
Está caliente.
Right. What happened to you? We are done, and now we are going to home. Yes, we are going to go home because we're tired.
I know. Look, I'm sweaty.
Yes, we're sweaty.
Alright guys, so we are done at the Yuma Air show. We just got dropped off by the bus. Now we gotta find where we parked.
Yeah.
There's so many cars out here. I think we're way all the way over there. I gotta push on my alarm, my lock button here so I can hear it beep. Let me know if you guys hear it. You hear it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it again. You hear it?
Yeah.
Alright, where is it at?
Do you see it?
Is there more that way?
Yeah.
The horror show? What horror show? Ready? You hear it? You sure? Alright, so we left a little early because it is hot. And Dominic is getting grumpy because it's hot. You hear it? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2. Alright, we made it back.
Okay.
We made it! Alright.
Watch Damian and Dad in motion.
Watch Damian and Deion in motion.
Watch Damian and Deion in motion.
Alright. Thanks, guys.